Good day, viewers. Today, we're going to walk through an easy and quick process to enable video pop-ups on your Chrome browser. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to open our Google Chrome browser. Next, we open Chrome Web Store. This is the place where we can find all the extensions that can enhance our browsing experience. In the search field of the Chrome Web Store, we're going to type picture-in-picture and then press enter. This will bring up a list of related extensions. Once we find Picture-in-Picture extension by Google, we're going to click on the Add to Chrome button right next to it. A confirmation prompt will appear on our screen. We need to click on Add Extension to confirm our action. And voila! We've successfully added the Picture-in-Picture extension to our Chrome browser. Now, whenever we want to play a video in a pop-up video player, all we need to do is hit Alt+P on our keyboard, or we can keep the extension pinned to the extensions board, and every time we need to open the floating window for a video, we click on the icon of the extension. Remember, this extension allows us to watch videos in a floating window that stays on top of other windows. This means we can keep an eye on our favorite videos while interacting with other sites or applications. Isn't that amazing? That's all for today, folks. Enjoy your enhanced browsing experience with Google Chrome's Picture-in-Picture extension. Until next time, happy browsing!